It was the start of a new week, but more of the same, unfortunately, on South Korea's financial markets on Monday. The rout continued with the country's main stock market tumbling below the psychologically important 2,000 mark as foreign and retail investors couldn't really dump their stocks fast enough. The tech-heavy KOSDAQ got hammered as well. That tumbled more than 5%. Kim Hyesung with the details.
For the first time in 22 months, South Korea's main index has closed below the 2,000 mark. On Monday, the benchmark KOSPI closed at 1996, down 1.5% and marking a fifth straight session of declines. The tech-heavy KOSDAQ plunged by over 5%, closing below 630, the lowest figure since August 2017. For the eighth straight session, foreigners were net sellers, letting go of $140 million worth of Korean stocks. Local institutions purchased shares worth nearly $558 million, but selling by individuals totaled almost $427 million. The sell-off came despite the government's announcement that it'll help stabilize the market. At a meeting with the Financial Supervisory Service and the Korea Exchange on Monday morning, Financial Services Commission Vice Chairman Kim Yong-bum said the government will set up a $438 million fund to invest into undervalued local stocks and inject it as soon as November.
Sluggish quarterly earnings from US and Chinese companies weighed on market sentiment heavily. The fear is growing that escalating US-China trade tensions will affect the global economy and Korea's export-driven economy, not to mention other headwinds like the Fed's rate hike and a slowing local economy. There is no good news to lift up investor sentiment.
On Friday, the Dow shed 1.2%, while the Nasdaq fell 2% on disappointing earnings from companies like Amazon and Google's parent Alphabet. The S&P also dropped 1.7%. China stocks closed 2% lower Monday, led by losses in the life insurance and financial sectors. Kim Hyesung, Arirang News.